Hey GadInsider fam, buckle up because Samsung's Galaxy S26 series is about to flip the script. A massive leak just dropped, hinting that the base Galaxy S26 is gone, replaced by a mysterious Galaxy S26 Pro. Wanna know what's cooking? Let's dive into the biggest Samsung shakeup yet. For over a decade, Samsung's Galaxy S series has followed a trusty formula: a base model, a Plus, and a beastly Ultra. But 2026 is rewriting the rules. According to leaks, Samsung's ditching the base Galaxy S26 for something called the Galaxy S26 Pro. That's right, no vanilla S26 in sight. The lineup now looks like Galaxy S26 Pro, S26 Edge, and S26 Ultra. This is one of the boldest moves Samsung's ever made. How do we know this is real? Fresh clues from Samsung's One UI 8 firmware spotted this week. They've dropped 3 models: M1 for S26 Pro, M2 for S26 Edge, and M3 for S26 Ultra. No base model, no Plus. And here's the kicker: a GSMA database listing for model SM-S942U, originally labeled Galaxy S26 on July 10th, was updated on Tuesday to read Galaxy S26 Pro. That is solid proof that Samsung's rebranding. The S26 Edge is rumored to replace the Plus model, but this Pro, it's a whole new vibe. Is it just a fancy name, or are we getting premium upgrades like Apple's iPhone 17 Pro or Google's Pixel 10 Pro? What is the Galaxy S26 Pro packing? We don't have the full specs yet, but the Pro name screams premium. Think upgraded cameras, a beefier chip like the Exynos 2600, or maybe a sleeker design. The S26 Ultra is already teased with a Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, 60-watt fast charging, and a 200-megapixel camera. So the Pro could borrow some of the high-end flair. But here's the catch: a Pro model might mean a higher starting price. Are you ready to pay more for Samsung's new base model? Why should you care? This shakeup signals Samsung's going all in on premium. Dropping the base and Plus models for a Pro and Edge could streamline the lineup and make every S26 feel like a flagship. But it might also leave fans of the compact, affordable Galaxy S phones out in the cold. With the S26 series expected to launch in January or February 2026, we're dying to see how this plays out. Could the S26 Pro be a compact powerhouse, or just a marketing glow-up? That's the latest from GadInsider. Are you hyped for the Galaxy S26 Pro, or bummed about losing the base model? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe with the bell for more tech leaks.